Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all always great. Okay, my name is Novella from English Education Department, Social Science Faculty Harapan Bahasa University. Now we are going to talk about invert the subject and verb. But especially, I will show you invert the subject and verb with place expressions and with negatives. So let's check it out. First is invert the subject and verb with place expressions. There are examples. Yeah. Here is the book that you lent me. Here is the place expressions. Is to be a verb, and the book is subject. Next, there are the keys that I thought lost. There is place expressions. Are is verb, keys, and as a subject. Nowhere have I seen such beautiful weather. Nowhere is place expression and have seen is verb and I as a subject. So it's a pattern of invert subject and verbs with place expressions. When a place expression at the front of the sentence is necessary to complete the sentence, the subject and verb that follow are inverted. The pattern is place expression plus verb plus subject. Like this. In the classroom as a place, were as a verb, some old desk as a subject. When a plus expression at the front of the sentence contains extra information that is not needed to complete the sentence, the subject and verb that follow are not inverted. The pattern is place plus subject plus verb. Like in the classroom as a place, subject is I, and verb is studied very hard. So let's check it out another example. Let's see. Okay. In the forest are many exotic birds. In the forest is place expression, are is a verb and birds is subject. Yes, it is a place necessary, so in the forest is can inverted. And the pattern is place plus verb and plus subject. Another example. Where in the forest, I walked for many hours. In the forest, in here is a place or extra information. So that follow are not inverted. So the pattern is place plus subject plus verb. Okay, so let's practice. I have in the cave was a vast treasure of gems and jewels. So what is it? Is it correct or incorrect? Okay, I will explain to you. The answer is correct. Why is correct? Because in the cave as a place expression, was is a verb and a place treasure is a subject. And this is correct because in the cave the place expression is necessary, not extra. So it can be inverted. Okay, next. To the north, the stream is that the settlers will have to cross. So what is the answer? The answer is incorrect. So incorrect, because to the north is place. The stream is a subject. Is a verb. But here, subject and verb is not inverted. To the north is necessary, so we have to invert it. The pattern is place plus verb plus subject. So the correct is to the north is the stream that the settlers will have to cross. Okay, the last one is around the corner are the office that you are trying to find. Okay, what do you think? Incorrect or incorrect? So the answer is correct. Correct. So it is follow the pattern. Around the corner is place, are is verb, and office is subject. So correct. Okay, so let's move on to the next topic. Is invert the subject and verb with negatives. There are the examples. Yes. So first, it's not once did I miss a question. Not once is a negative. Did miss as a verb and I is subject. Never has Mr. Jones taken a vacation. Never is negative. Has taken is verb. Mr. John is a subject. At that time, can the woman talk on the telephone? At that time is negative. Can talk is verb and women is subject. So this pattern is the same with inverted subject and verb with place expressions. Yeah. Okay, let's check pattern. These are the negatives. So no, barely, not, hardly, never, only, never, rarely, no, scarcely, and so on. When a negative expression appears in front of a subject and verb, or at the beginning of the sentence or in the middle of the sentence, the subject and verb are inverted, just like this. Rarely, it is negative expression. The verb is were, and the subject is they, so happy. In this example, let's follow the pattern. Yeah, negative plus verb is subject. So when we find the negative expression in the beginning, at the beginning sentence or middle sentence, so the subject and verb class are inverted. Okay. Okay, let's check the another examples. Hardly ever does he take time off. Hardly ever is a negative, does take is verb, and he is a subject. Only once did the manager issue overtime paychecks. Only one is negative, did issue is verb, and the manager is subject. Okay, so let's focus. Steph didn't win the prize, nor did he expect to do so. So what do you think? Is it incorrect or correct? Okay, the answer is correct. So it's correct because Steph didn't win the prize, nor did he expect to do so. The pattern is, what is it? Negatives plus verb and plus subject. So let's check it out. Nor is negative, did is a verb, and he is as a subject. Okay, so the answer is correct. Okay, next. Only once in my lifetime I have to New York City. So what do you think? Okay, so the answer is incorrect. Why? Because in this pattern, we can change the verb before the subject. Just verb to be, not not main verb. Okay. In this practice, only once in my life can I have. Can as a main verb have verb to be. So we cannot invert this. So the answer is incorrect. So the correct answer is only once. Only once is a negative in my life. Have gone. Yeah, have gone as a verb and I is subject. Okay. So the sentence, so the correct is only once in my life have I gone to the New York City. Okay. Last one. Did he go out of the house at no time? The answer is incorrect. He just thought that the negative is can inverted when the negative is at the beginning sentence or middle sentence. But in this practice, the negative is at behind the sentence, yeah, last sentence. So the answer is incorrect. The correct answer is he went out of the house at no time. When we found this sentence, we have now, if we have known that we inverted the sentence, we have to understand what is it, okay? Because at no time is the last sentence, and we need to at the beginning sentence or the middle sentence. So the subject is before the verb, and the verb is use the verb to. Okay, like this. He went out of the house at no time. So it is the correct sentence. Okay, that's all for me. I hope you all understand, yeah, what I said, yeah, what we are talking about too. So thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.